Hello folks, welcome back. Now, last time round we learnt about the basics of Python, about variables and about selection. Now, today we're going to do selection properly. So we're going to learn how the computer can make choices about variables. How I can say if this one's too big or too small, do this, if this, do that. Which is quite simple and allows computers to do some pretty cool stuff. So, let's see how it works. Now, I want to write a program to ask people which football team they support to make sure it's the right one. So, firstly, I need to ask them which team do you support. So, here we're just going to type in team, that's my variable name, equals input. I want them to tell me which team they support. I can't tell them. I wish I could, but I can't. Which football team, I'm going to run out of space here, sorry about this, do you support? Question mark. So, I've now got a question, okay, and I now need to ask which team is it, and is it the right one? So, I'm going to start by writing if. Most selections involve word if somewhere, and then open brackets. Don't forget to close them. PyCharm did it for me, very nice of it. And now I'm going to write if team, the variable we just made, equals, double equals, that means is it equal to? If you ask questions, you usually use double equals. So double equals, is it equal to speech marks, and I'm going to put some text in, and Wimbledon, AFC, the glorious team. Okay, so is this variable Wimbledon? And then I put a colon. So that's the important thing here, guys. You note if statement, two brackets, and then the thing you're asking inside them. Okay, and after this colon here, we go to a new line. And now, if this is true, anything here which is indented will be run. If it isn't, it won't be. So I'm going to type here print excellent choice. So there we are. We've now got a program, and let's just run this just to make sure it works okay. So I'm just going to quickly run it, and fingers crossed. Which football team do you support? If I said Wimbledon and press enter, excellent choice. Sweet, huh? But what happens if I write something else? Well, let's try it. Which football team do you support? Say I've gone temporarily mad and I write Chelsea. Nothing at all. But I want to tell Chelsea fans what I think of them. So we need to modify this bit, don't we? I don't just want to say Wimbledon, excellent choice. If you support Chelsea, you need help. So let's I come back to the same position on the line as if is, and I write elif. Elif means if there's another choice. Okay, so say it's not Wimbledon. It could be something else though. So else if team equals Chelsea. I'm going to be nice to Chelsea fans today. It's a rare occasion, I know, but I am sometimes. And I'm going to write print I hope you recover soon. Okay, and please note again, guys, there's a colon afterwards, and everything after indented will run if they type Chelsea. Want to see? Well, let's type it in here. Which team do you support? If I type in Chelsea, I hope you recover soon. Okay? Now, supposing they don't support Wimbledon or Chelsea. Supposing they have picked someone else, someone peculiar, maybe someone from Manchester or Liverpool. What do we go for? How do we say any other teams, any other choice they make, we're just going to say this? Well, the answer is easy, guys. We just come back here and just type in else. Else. And the colon. Anything after this, indented, will appear now. Okay, so print never mind. Okay, so we got print excellent choice, Wimbledon excellent choice, Chelsea recover soon. And if it's not one of those two, we're going to say never mind. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to type in, say, Wimbledon, just to make sure it still works. Excellent choice. Good. Now I'm going to go really strange and dirty and type in shh, never mind. And it will say, never mind. So, there we are, guys. Today, we have learned how to make a choice about a variable using an if statement here. And we have learned how to make the first choice and how we have to indent whatever it is we want to happen to it after the colon. Secondly, we have learned to give it a second choice. So here, Chelsea is making a second choice. And then how to do something if it's that choice. And finally, we have learned using else how to handle any other situation. I hope that helped you. I hope you can do on the homework, and best of British luck.